today we are back with another video, and you guys, listen, this was supposed to come out, but I don't think this was ever gonna come out, so I just ripped it. And yeah, so this is what happened. So anyways, shout outs to Nail Reserve LA. They sent me over this package, and I totally thought I was going to be able to peek at it before I came on camera, but as you guys can see, that was not the case. So here we are. This is where I left off, and I love this stuff. I always love this stuff. It's so good. But look at you guys. This is the base, and they sent us over this package, the no wipe top coat, and they wanted us to try these. You guys, first off, just want to take into consideration, these are vegan. They are a 9 free formula, and they are cruelty free. So if you guys seen recently, I have unboxed some vegan polish. It was actually 21 free, so this one's 9 free. So little difference there, but also want to look at the consistency of this. They reached out to me and told me they would love for me to try them out and also to introduce them to you guys. I like the consistency. It's real nice. Okay, so I went on the website. They let me pick out 6 colors. You guys, no reserve, thank you so much for your generosity. I really liked the colors that you guys had available because they were very earthy. They were all so earthy, and honestly, I am such like at heart an earthy girl, so like you guys are gonna see this color palette is like a little earthy, and then I went ahead with a little bit of colors that were like this one, less is more, super cute. And I love that they also include, I don't know if you guys can really see the color very well, but they do put the color onto the top of the cap, similar to Madam Glam, which you guys have seen me unbox recently. And oh my god, oh, okay. I love, like, it's not thin, but it's not thick. It's really smooth, and this shimmer is cute. Okay, so this one is called Less is More. We're gonna swatch them out. We got Lucky Bamboo, and this one is super pretty. I want to build up a green collection, and this one is like OMG, you guys, cannot freaking wait to use it. This is like, it's like a mix between neon green and army green, like army green, forest green, neon green, all in one. And it's called Lucky Bamboo. You cannot go wrong. The names that they had were super creative and random AF, so you guys are gonna see that. This one's called Purple Addict, which I totally am. I don't know why, I guess the paper has like lint in it, so everything's like a little linty, but it's okay. So this one, super deep purple, like, oh my gosh, dragon, giving dragon vibes. Giving massive dragon vibes. Like, wow, if you love purple, you are gonna die for this color. By the way, you guys, just a little heads up, Nail Addict was, why do I keep saying Nail Addict? Nail Reserve. It's because I've never even heard of this brand before, honestly, but until they reached out to me. I've heard of Nail Addict, but never Nail Reserve. But Nail Reserve wants to give you guys 50% off their polishes. This one's called Goddess, so I definitely had to get it. Madam Glam has the name polish named Goddess too, and I really like it. I want to get it as well, but I didn't pick it out. But this is perfect. This red is royalty, like rose red to the max. I love it. I love it, you guys. Wow, I am obsessed. The formula is like, it's not thick or thin. It is nice. Okay, so this one, but anyways, Nail Reserve, you guys, wants to give my audience 50% off if you guys go and purchase over on their website. This one's called Velvet Sunset, and I just love it. Like, the name, who would have thought of that? Velvet Sunset. Super pretty. Like, this is giving brownie vibes, like fudge brownies, chocolate gingerbread man. Yes, this is so pretty. I guys to drop some comments down below and let me know some nail ideas that you guys are thinking of with these colors, because just a flirt, this one's yellow, super cute. Again, all of these colors are very neutral. They're not like super neon, or I don't know what I love about them so much besides the fact that everything, like everything, they are like, wow, this yellow is so pretty, so pretty. I just like that the colors are, they're very welcoming to your eyes. They don't make you feel like you have to look away. They make you feel like you want to keep looking at them and you can't stop staring. And that's what I love, because have you ever seen someone's nails and you're just like obsessed and they're like, excuse me, like, can you stop? And you're like, oh, it's just I'm staring at your nails, my bad. Like, that's the vibe, woo, that I'm getting off of these. But well, I tried to do a little pyramid. Hey now. But yeah, so these are the these are the colors I chose. They're beautiful. I love them so much. Thank you so much, No Reserve. Honestly, you guys, you have to shop with them because these are legit, like, really beautiful. I'm gonna swatch them out in my next upload, where I am also going to put them to use. Please, you guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this unboxing. Let me know what you think of these polishes so far. Have you guys ever shopped with Nail Reserve? Did you know of them? Because I didn't, and I'm so thankful. Shout out again to Nail Reserve for, shout out again, oh my god, shout out again to Nail Reserve for contacting me, reaching out to me, sending me these beautiful colors. You guys can save 50% off of all of their gel polishes on their website. I will go ahead and drop the link and the little discount code down in the description, so you'll be able to find that for easy access. I also put my discount codes on my website, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. Tell me your favorite colors. Tell me your nail ideas. I'm almost thinking like I could really do something with these two together. Oh shoot, these two together, they're actually big bottles, you guys. These are big bottles, 15 milliliters. This is a generous amount of polish. I'm very thankful, but I would love to do something with these two. Would love to see some kind of fantasy nail set with all of these colors. And then would love to see some stiletto pumps with this, which my friend Soul, she might come get some stiletto pumps just to get this color. I'm gonna have her like, girl, come on. This one also would love, all of these would love to use on a set just individually. Don't really even have to decorate the nails, just probably won't even decorate them. And then this one, it's still giving dragon vibes, you guys. I need to look into an idea for this, because this is, out of all of them, honestly, my favorites are the red, the purple addict, and the bamboo. But my next favorite one is obviously the shimmer one, because it's pink and it's really cute. All of them I super love, but this is a beautiful lipstick, red bottoms, Burberry, motherfucking, I don't know, just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. All right, well, anyways, you guys, tell me what you thought down below in the comments. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning into my videos. Please drop a comment down below. Should I do notification gang shout outs on my videos? Because you guys are so loyal. I can definitely tell the ones of you who have your notifications turned on, and I appreciate that. And also, you guys, I'm really close, like really close to becoming eligible for monetization, which means, as promised, I will have a giveaway coming soon. What would you guys like for giveaways? What brands have you seen lately, or that maybe you haven't seen me do a brand that you would like me to collaborate with? If you have any brands that you haven't seen me collab with and you would like me to, please drop a comment down below and let me know. I will reach out to them and see about collaborating. And I really love bringing you guys you know, these products, as far as being able to show them to you guys, share them with you guys, also being able to put them to use, creating ideas with them, and aside from that, also being able to offer you guys discounts For some of the brands, of course, I do earn a commission if you buy on their website. Others of them is simply just a discount for my audience. So nevertheless, no matter how it happens, you guys are supporting me one way or another, and for that I am thankful. So I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.